Don't talk about it, be about it. Good morning, it's Keto Granny, and I'm getting ready to do my weigh-in for Sunday, January the 8th. This weigh-in is for the challenge also with Myri Ray. So I'm getting ready to step on the scale, and I do have it time-stamped. I did find an app that I could use. So let's go ahead and get the weigh-in done. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and step on the scale. Well, I got a lot of preparation to step on the scale, but I'm going to go ahead and step on the scale so I can get the weight now. I want to make sure that you can see it. $244.2. This is where I started my weight loss journey at 248.6. These are some of the foods that I ate in order to lose weight this week. One more. So I haven't started eating yet. I'm still putting my meal together. It's 11:38, so I'm probably not going to eat until 12 o'clock. Why do you want to play him like that? If you like. Monday, January the 2nd, 11:23 a.m. So I hit my steps. 10,021. I am going to be starting my weekend meal prep, and I'm starting with some ground beef, and this ground beef is 80/20. I'm going to be using my meal prep to make some ground beef for tacos and Mexican dishes, and also for spaghetti. I'll have this in my refrigerator, and it's going to help me stay focused for the weekend. Also, I'm going to prepare some other meats to go along with this. I'm going to prepare my bacon for breakfast, and also to have that available in the refrigerator for snacking. And also, I will be making some chicken leg quarters in my Instant Pot that we'll have available to eat also. Remember, if you have a meal prep available, it's going to help you stay focused. It's going to help you stay on point. So make sure that you do make mini meal preps along the way. Here I'm going to go ahead and season my ground beef to my liking. I'm using garlic powder, pepper, some Himalayan pink salt. Also, I like to use everything seasoning on my meat also. And I'm getting ready to add some of that now. But season your meat like you want to eat them, and that way you will stay on your weight loss journey. Have you 2 or 3 meats prepped in the refrigerator that you can use for several dishes. This is going to help you stay focused, help you stay on point. And when you get hungry or hangry, you have something readily available in the refrigerator for you to eat. This is what I mean when I say be prepared for success. Here you can see I've already added in my other seasonings, my tomatoes and everything. I'm going to be using egg life wraps for my tacos, and I'm also going to be having some nachos with this also, and I use the Quest protein chips for this. There are only 4 or 5 carbs, total carbs, for the entire bag. Getting ready to start making my bacon. I'm going to go ahead and put down some parchment paper. I like to keep bacon made in the refrigerator because I like to snack on it. It really is a good snack as far as fat, and, protein, and carbs. It's a good snack as far as being on keto. So I make my bacon and then I put it in the refrigerator, and that way I'll have it handy for breakfast, for making omelets, for using in salads. I always like to have me some bacon made in the refrigerator, and this is part of my weekend meal prep also. This is part of my meal prep. I am making chicken thighs, one for me and one for my husband today. This is going to be a meal for us today, and I'll add in some vegetables. This is my coffee that I like to make for myself occasionally. I consider it a treat. I do have some zero sugar whipping cream on top of this. And in here, I also have my coffee along with a tablespoon of heavy whipping cream and a little bit of keto sugar-free chocolate. So my thigh quarters are ready and they smell and look so delicious. I pulled some of the meat off just to taste it, and it tastes very, very good. This is going to be a great meal prep for the weekend. Here you can see for the next day I hit my 10,000 steps. This is another delicious keto meal that I had, a salad. And you can see I just added a variety of vegetables in here. And then I used some olive oil and also a little bit of dressing. Put them in the bowl. Just completed my 10,000 steps. Today is January the 6th. I believe I have done 10,000 steps for the 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th. So I have done 5 days this week, 10,000 steps. I'm going to be stepping this weekend, but I'm going to be stepping and chasing grandkids. So I probably won't be making any videos this weekend. Just wanted to share that with you. Make sure you get your steps in. And now for the Amazon Prime delivery for you. We got Go-Go. We got noodles. This is what came in from Amazon Prime for the kids weekend. We got pancakes and sausage on the stick. We got some flavor variety instant oatmeal. We got some Minute Maid berry punch. All right, over here we got some seasoned curly fries.
Oh, I love it.
We got some chicken nuggets.
I love ketchup.
You love chicken nuggets?
Yeah, but I just love it with ketchup.
Okay, and we got some hot pockets. Some hot.
I like hot pockets.
Do you? Yeah. You like hot pockets?
Yeah.
And we got some pizza. Let's see here. Somebody else's. Whose place is that? Oh, that's Granddad's. Rising crust pizza. This is everything that has come in the house with the grandkids. I told them what they do. They have to take all of this stuff with him. This is what I face when I have my grandbabies. All of this extra food. Look at this. It's nothing that I can eat. No. This is my first meal of the day. I have an egg life wrap here with, I'd say, about 2 teaspoons of taco meat, a little bit of shredded cheese, and a little bit of salsa. And I had 2 of these. And these are very, very small taco rolls. This is how I'm breaking my fast today.
The next breakthrough.
This is the bag that food came in that arrived at my house that I cannot eat. That is high calorie. There are times when you're going to have a sweet tooth and you're really going to want something to have on keto. The best thing that I could suggest is a keto mug cake. So that's what I'm getting ready to make me. I have a sweet tooth. My grandkids have all of these things that I used to eat in the household. So I have a horrendous craving for something sweet. I'm going to make me a chocolate keto mug cake, and I'm going to share that with you. The ingredients I'm going to use is 2 tablespoons of almond flour, tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder, tablespoon of soy sweetener, and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. And let me get this stuff together and then I'll be back. Okay, all of my dry ingredients are mixed together here in this cup. I'm going to mix these up really, really well. And to this, I'm going to add a tablespoon of mayonnaise, an egg yolk, and a teaspoon of water. I'm going to mix that up real good and let it sit for about a minute. Then I'm going to pop it into the microwave for 40 to 45 seconds. I'll probably be adding a little bit of pecans and a few chocolate chips to this also. So I'm going to go ahead and mix these ingredients together really, really good. Make sure that you get everything mixed really well in your cup. To this, I'm going to add a tablespoon of mayonnaise and 1 egg yolk. Not the egg white, just the egg yolk. To this, I'm going to add a tablespoon of water. Now I'm going to mix this together really, really good in the cup. It's going to seem like it's going to be hard to mix at first. It's going to look like it doesn't have enough liquid, but you can see how it comes out. And this is about the consistency of what you'll get. What I'm going to do is take a spatula and get the batter off the sides of the cup. To this, you can add whatever you like. I'm going to add some Keto sugar-free chocolate chips to this. You can add pecans. You can add, your nut of choice to this. You can add in chocolate chips. Just whatever you would like to add to your keto mug cake, just as long as it is keto. Almost couldn't get that out. But you can see I added about a serving of the chocolate chips. This is the keto mug cake coming out of the microwave. I cooked it for about 40 to 45 seconds. And it um, fills about a little over half of the cup. Now to this, I'm going to add some sugar-free whipping cream, or some zero sugar whipping cream is what I'm using tonight. I'm going to add some of that to this, and then I am going to eat it. I tell you, it smells so good, and it looks good too. You can take this out of the cup and eat it, or you can just leave it in the cup, which is very, very convenient, and eat it like that also. So let's go ahead and take a bite of this. Look at that. Remember, to control your cravings, make sure you have a plan of